Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to apply preset and makeup filters to your pictures and selfies on the AirBrush application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone, then tap on the camera button or the library button to select a picture, and after that click on the makeup section down below, which is the 5th option. And here you should see that you have a bunch of categories at the top that you can choose from, such as popular, Halloween, day, night, holiday, vibrant and classic. So if you tap on the relevant one, you're going to see how it looks like on your selfie or your picture, and you can adjust it by the help of this scale in the middle of the screen. If you go to the this section down below, you can also apply particular filters such as lips, blush filters, contouring, eyebrows, eyelashes, eyeliner, and so on. So select the relevant one and use the scale to adjust it. So if you are satisfied with the result and would like to save your picture, click on the checkmark icon down below in the right side corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.